Morning children. Yes, in the last class I have explained you what are like fractions, what are unlike fractions and what are equivalent fractions. Okay? What are like fractions, what are unlike fractions and what are equivalent fractions. Now, yes, what are like fractions, what are unlike fractions. Like fractions, like fractions ante whenever you have the same denominator for 2 or 3 numbers, fractions, 2 or 3 fractions. Such fractions are called as like fractions. Okay, such fractions are called as like fractions. You see, and which have the denominators as different, they are known as unlike fractions. You see now, come on, write this. Open the classwork and write this, children. Pick out the like and unlike fractions. The like and this is a heading. Unlike fractions. Come on, did you all write this heading? Open fresh page in your classwork. Open fresh page in the classwork and write today's date 25-3-21. Day Thursday, THURSDAY Thursday, and write this heading. See, they gave you these numbers. Okay, they gave you these numbers. Here, they are asking you to write solution. They are asking you to write like fractions. See, here 4, denominator is 4. Here the denominator is 4. Here the denominator. These are like fractions because they have the same denominator. Yes, the numbers which, the fractions which have the same denominator are called as like fractions. See, what are like fractions now? 3/4, 7/4. 1/4. What are unlike fractions? Unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions, children? Unlike fractions are 5/6, 3/5 and 8/9. These three are unlike fractions. Yes, these three are unlike fractions. Now, the same way, I wrote one, no? You write one more for homework. Yes, you write this one for homework. 7/11, 1/12, 3/13, 3/11, 9/11, 8/15. From this, you have to write what are like fractions. Like fractions बोले तो जिसका डिनोमिनेटर सेम है, नीचे किसको सेम है, ये 3 fractions like fractions, and for which the denominators are different are known as unlike fractions. Yes, this you are going to write by yourself. क्या लिखना like fractions बोले तो 7/11, 3/11, 9/11. And what are unlike fractions? 1/12, 3/13 and 8/15. Okay? One I wrote for you, one is for homework. This is homework. After you write like fractions, leave 2 lines and write unlike fraction. Yes, after writing like fractions, leave 2 lines and write unlike fractions. After writing this, leave 2 lines and write this for homework. Okay, did you all follow? Yes. Now we are going to see equivalent fractions. Now we are going to see equivalent fractions. ये पूरा एक पेज में लिखने के बाद दूसरा पेज फ्रेश पेज खोल के equivalent fractions लिखना. Yes, what are equivalent fractions, children? I said you. What are equivalent fractions? Whenever the denominator and the numerator are multiplied with the same number. Yes. Second bit, find 3 equivalent, equivalent equivalent fractions. Yes, write 3 equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions कैसे लिखना? First one, I'll say 2 and 2 for homework, children here. Yes, see how you are going to write equivalent fractions बोले तो न्यूमरेटर और डिनोमिनेटर को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना. Yes, 3 numbers are asking you to write. Multiply it with 2. 2 by 5 into 2 into 2. What is the answer? 2 2s are 4 by 10. This is 1. 4 by 10. And see again. 2 by 5 into 3. दोनों को सेम नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करना. 6 by 15. Yes. 2 by 5 into 4 into 4. That is nothing but 8 by 20. These 3 numbers are equivalent fractions, which I wrote in a box. Yes? These 3 are equivalent fractions. See, the same one we will do here again. 3 by 4 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 4 2s are 8. This is an equivalent fraction. Now, what is one more? 3 by 4 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. Now, this is one more equivalent fraction. Now, 3 by 4 into 4 into 4. That is nothing but 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16. This is one more equivalent fraction. Followed? How to write equivalent fractions? Did you follow? See. Now, C and D are for homework, children. Yes. Here again. Same number, numerator and denominator. You have to multiply with same number. You can even multiply with 5. ऊपर भी 3 5s are 4 5s are 3 6s are 4 6s are. Like that also we can do. Not only 2 3 4. We can even multiply with same any other number also. Okay? These two sums are for homework, children. You are going to write 3 equivalent fractions of 1 by 2, 5 by 7. Okay? Did you all copy this? Everybody. Yes. Did you all copy this? Now, this C and D are for homework. Now you see, children, fill in the blanks. Third bit is fill in the blanks. Third bit is fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. What are fill in the blanks? See, A1 7 by 10 is equal to like this. Yes? यह नीचे 20 है. 10 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 20 आया. 10 2s are 20. Yes? 10 2s are 20. So, here also you are going to multiply with 2. Here they gave you dash. 7 2s are 14. Here you are going to write 14. Followed? B1. 3 by 7. Like this. This side arrow, this side arrow. Is equal to 7 ही है. 7 को किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें तो फिर 7 आता. 7 टेबल में 7 कब आता? 7 1s are 7. नीचे 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 7 आया. ऊपर भी 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करो. 3. 3 1s are 3. This is a block. Followed? Here one more. C1. 3 by 5 is equal to 10. 5 टेबल में 10 कब आता? 5 2s are 10. Here also with 2. 3 2s are 6. Okay, children. The same D1 you see here. Copy these 4 sums. 1 by 3. Yes, I am going to say addition and subtraction after this. 9 by dash. Dash by 54. Yes. You see, children, when does 9 come in one table? One table లో 9 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? Yes. See, one table లో 9 ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది? 1 9s are 9. So 3 9s are 27. Here. Yes, 27. 2s are 54. 9 2s are 80. Come on, write this. Everybody, after you copy this, I am going to explain you addition, children. Addition is very easy in fractions. We can add only like fractions. We can't add unlike fractions. Subtraction, addition, like fractions ఉంటేనే చేయొస్తుంది. Like fractions అంటే ఏంటి? Denominator same ఉంటేనే మనం యాడ్ చేయం. कभी भी वो लोगों को denominator नीचे वाला नंबर सेम है तो ही आप लोग ऐड करना, नहीं तो ऐड नहीं करना. सुने? Yes. Come on. After copying this, open fresh page After copying this code, open fresh page. Yes. Now write first bit. Add the following. Add the following like fractions. Add the following like fractions. Okay, children? Add the following like fractions. A. 2 by 7. Here I am going to explain you 2 sums and 2 I will give you for homework. Yes, look how we are going to add this. How we are going to add this. Yes, children. How you will add this, children? You are going to add only the numerators. ऊपर वाला नंबर को ही ऐड करना, नीचे वाले सेम ऐसे ही लिख देना. नीचे कहाँ है? 7. Write 7 here. Here 20, 20, 20 only. Here 9, 9, 9. Yes. Here 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. How much? 1, 2, 3. 3. Here 7. After 7. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. 2 plus 1. 3. 3 plus 4. 7. Like this. Did you all follow how to add? Yes. This 3 I wrote for you, no? This 3 for homework. The same way subtraction also, children. Come on, copy homework sums now. Copy homework sums. Did you all follow how to add? You should not add the denominator. Denominator you are going to write the same. Only the numerator you are going to add. Yes, these 3 sums are for homework. Yes, children. Did you all follow? First write the denominator same, then add the numerators and write the number. Yes? Did you all copy this? అర్థమైందా అందరికీ అడిషన్ ఎలా చేయాలో? Now I am going to explain you subtraction. Yes, second bit is subtraction. రాసుకున్నారా homework sums 3? Now subtract. Second bit is subtract. Subtract. Second bit. Come on, open a fresh page and write the second bit. Subtract the like fractions. Yes. A. Here also I will do 3 sums for you all and the 4 I will give for homework. Yes, come on, write this. Yes, children, these are the 4 sums I gave you. Now I am going to explain you these 4 numbers. 4 sums. First write the denominator here also. नीचे जो नंबर है वो आंसर में लिख दो सेम. यहाँ पर 3, यहाँ पर 15, यहाँ पर 11. Now do the subtraction of the numerators. 18 में से 5. Yes. Go to rough column. Do 18 minus 5. 8 minus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are remaining? 3. 0. So no need to write 0. Write only 3. Here write 3. Okay. Now 2 minus 1. 1. 11 minus 7. After 7 count till 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. 4. Here also. 10 minus 5. 5. That's all. Did you all follow? Yes. Now copy the homework sums. Copy the homework sums. These 4 sums are for homework. Eight by 9 minus 4 by 9. 13 minus. Yes, children? Come on, write these sums for homework. You are going to do these 4 sums for home. Yes? Copy. With this we have completed our fractions chapter, children. Okay. Tomorrow I am going to explain you measurements. Okay? Tomorrow I am going to explain you measurements. Everybody copy the homework sums. Thank you.